Right YouTube, welcome to another video. Hopefully you're all winding down for Christmas now. So this was going to be a bit of a different video to what it actually is. I was foolishly going to try and sort of simulate the effect of driving and having the air going into the fog light scoops and being directed up the air filter on Dyno. So I think I would have needed some pretty hardcore fans to get that kind of airflow up to it. So in the end, what I've got is a little bit of a demonstration on what good old Mother Nature can do for your power figures. So because, like, you know, me included, I'd be driving along thinking I've got X amount of horsepower, but yeah, depending on the condition you're driving, you might have more or less. So yeah, this was a dyno run on a day where there was particularly good air pressure. So this would be the results before the dyno had been corrected. I think they correct it, I'm no expert on this, but they sort of correct it so they bring the figures in line as if you had a certain atmospheric air pressure, a certain temperature and a certain humidity in the air. So plans for next year. I'm very, very pleased that I shall be getting another track car next year. So it's been like a year and a half, I think, since I got rid of the BMW, so I'm really itching to get back on track. I'm currently having a car, it's more of a race car build, I'd say, this one. It's going to be completely non-road legal, so I'm going to have to trailer it to tracks. But I've got a guy who builds these particular race cars, and he's doing the sort of kind of work that I can't really do, like roll cages and installing an LSD in it, among many other goodies. So I should be getting that at some point in spring, hopefully, or maybe before spring. And the aim is to do loads of track days this year, go and sort of do all the different ones around the country rather than just Castle Coombe all the time. Yes, I'm very looking forward to that. I'll be doing all the usual car shows and then bits and pieces on the FN2 as well. So that's all the waffle from me. Let's go and hear some K20 screaming and let's see what power figure I got. So there we are, guys. I've answered the question that no one is asking. Yeah, you probably say it's a bit of an obvious outcome. You're probably right, but maybe it's just an excuse for me to show off my car and talk about next year's plans as well. But yeah, it goes to show, doesn't it? It's like about 5 horsepower more with some slightly different conditions. Yeah, it's a bit lower than last time. I think it's about 3 less than last time. That could be down to anything, couldn't it? I think the last time I had a fresh oil in it and maybe the tyre pressures are a bit lower or something like that. I hope you all have a great Christmas and break and everything, and a nice chilled out time. And thanks for watching as always. I think something like 95% of my viewers are non-subscribed, so if you could chuck us a subscription, that'd be awesome. That'd make me very happy. And yeah, join me for 2024 for a new car and lots of track action. Very excited about it. Yeah, have a good time, guys. Cheers.